Did you know there's a day dedicated to celebrating the end of Prohibition? It's Prohibition Repeal Day, and I've got two classic cocktails to help you toast in style. On December 5th, 1933, the 21st Amendment ended the nationwide ban on alcohol, bringing wine, beer, and spirits back into our lives. Let's honor that moment with cocktails that harken back to the Prohibition era. Our first cocktail is the New York Sour, a perfect blend of bold and bright flavors. And here's what you'll need. You'll need your whiskey, of course. I'm using a bourbon whiskey, 2 ounces, 3/4 ounce lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of red wine, and 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And of course, you want a shaker filled with ice, your rocks glass ready to pour it in, filled with ice, and a strainer and a bar spoon. So this is super easy. All you're gonna do is put your whiskey in the shaker, and next you want your simple syrup. Add a little bit of that, and then your lemon juice. Super easy, right? And now all we're gonna do is shake this for 10 to 15 seconds so it gets nice and cool and mixed up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Maybe do a little dance while you shake it up. I can already feel it nice and cold on my hand. Awesome. All right, feels like it's ready. So now we'll need could use the strainer. This actually has a strainer in the top, so just make sure you hold it well. Pour it in the glass. Awesome, and now we are just going to strain our red wine over the top. So what you want to do for this, so we only need 1/2 ounce. So what you're going to do is you use the bar spoon to help it to layer over the top very nicely. I'm a little messy. Always a little messy, right? Beautiful, and now you see we have our red wine gorgeously layered on the top of that. So using the bar spoon is the trick for that, so it doesn't blend all the way in. And it just looks beautiful. The red wine adds a velvety finish and a pop of color that makes this cocktail as stunning as it is delicious. Cheers. Next up is the champagne cocktail, a simple, elegant drink that has been enjoyed for centuries. And here's what you'll need. Champagne, of course. Today I'm actually using a rosé crema, so you could put a little twist on your cocktail and use a sparkling rosé. I have bitters, you'll just need 2 or 3 drops. I have a sugar cube and a lemon twist to garnish it with. So this is super easy. All you're going to do is put your sugar cube in the champagne flute right here. And then you're going to put a few drops of bitters, 2 or 3. So that might have been a little more, but they're little drops, so we'll see. And of course, you're bubbling now, so you want to pour this slowly, okay? Because it's going to fizz beautifully as the sugar dissolves. So we just kind of want to let that happen here slowly. Okay, a little bit more. You see the sugar cube dissolving in there. Looks pretty cool. So we're just gonna, this is a pretty big glass, so we're going to fill it just to about there. And for an extra touch of sophistication, our lemon twist. Awesome. And there you have it. Effortlessly chic and absolutely celebratory. Cheers. These two classics are perfect for Prohibition Repeal Day, whether you're hosting friends or just enjoying a quiet toast to history. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more cocktail tips and wine stories, and let me know in the comments how you're celebrating Repeal Day. And cheers to freedom, resilience, and great cocktails. Ciao for now.